You could always work later, like not you should be working like later in the evening and getting stuff done. Like no, you could always push your work late to later.
Okay, what in the world is that? What is it? What is this?
It's my car.
Oh, it is a smart purifying fan.
So adding on to my to-do list, I'm going to be listing some of my son's toys that we're going to be getting rid of because these are the toys that he said he's okay to get rid of. So I'm going to be listing those. Also this right here. And this is my current to-do pile for today. So I just got this as you guys saw. And then I still have the iPhone case, wallet, Himalayan salt, and I have that wine chiller set aside because I did receive that in error. I will get to it, but that is not a priority at this point since it doesn't really sell that frequently and it's a fairly low dollar item. So I pretty much just woke up. I'm going to be getting in the habit of starting this new thing where I'm just trying to get a couple extra steps because I'm currently on a journey to lose like 25 pounds. At this point, I am down, I want to say like 4 pounds, something like that. Like pretty close to 4 pounds. I am weighing the most that I've ever weighed like in my life, and that's just due to poor life choices, poor dieting, that type of thing. In addition to just being a dad, like just adjusting to that lifestyle, not having any time to work out or anything. So I literally just woke up, went to the bathroom, came down here to my working space and just thought to myself, you know what, I'm just gonna walk a little bit before I start work. So I'm gonna start doing this, or trying to get in the routine of doing this whenever I can, just taking a light walk for like 5 to 10 minutes before I actually start. Just got a spam phone call there, so that's, hopefully that doesn't interfere with the recording whatsoever. But yeah, for those of you guys who do not know, I am a father to a 3-year-old and at this point a 2-month-old. So life has been super busy the past couple months, just helping my newborn adjust to being an outside baby and helping my son adjust to becoming a big brother. He's been doing a fabulous job, but there have been some hiccups along the way, as to be expected, because you know he was the center of our attention and so much playing time and everything like that. But now, you know, there's another person added into the mix. Even though he does really love her, it's just sometimes he'll want to play or do something. I'll be like, oh, I can't right now because I'm taking care of, you know, blah blah blah. And you could tell he understands, but at the same time he's also very disappointed. There was a moment the other day, like during one of our meal times, where he was just talking about something and just seemed so angry and sad, and I was like, dude, like what's wrong? And he was just like, you know, I just miss playing with you, or I miss doing something with you. And I was just like, oh man, that's just super sad to hear, coming from a 3-year-old, you know, someone I care very much about. And I'm gonna be making an effort to, you know, manage my time better, even trying to do better than I do. For those of you guys who do not know, I work a 9 to 5, and then I try to dedicate like around an hour to doing the YouTube stuff. I have 2 monetized channels, working on trying to get a 3rd channel monetized, and I do the Amazon influencer program, which I have been picking up on that as of late, because Q4 theoretically should be the best quarter of the year, because a lot of people should be buying stuff for Christmas time. So that's why I've been ramping up some of my videos on there. Right now I have about like 350. I'm trying to end the year with 400 videos. Hopefully I could get there, but we will see. I'm just starting to realize, like, in this stage of life, you could always work later. Like, not you should be working like later in the evening and getting stuff done. Like, no, you could always push your work late to later. down the road, family is always most important, and I'm never going to be in the stage I am ever again. I'll never have a 3-year-old in addition to a 2-month-old ever again. This is the youngest that they'll ever be, so that's why I'm trying my best to only dedicate like an hour to all my side stuff. Obviously I still need to work on my full-time job. That's something that needs to be done, that pays most of the bills. The side stuff with the YouTube and the Amazon influencer program, that only pays like, the mortgage, which, that's something that still needs to happen for us to live in the house that we have. And that's why I work very hard to try to get that done, because I have like, it's a revenue goal of like at least $1,000 between the two things, the YouTube and Amazon. But ideally my monthly number should be around like $1,500, because I need the money to pay the mortgage, I need the money for taxes, need the money for tithing. So those three things gives me an amount to like around $1,500. Just $1,500 change is ideally what I would like to make, but I just rounded off for 15. That's the goal. If I don't hit like 15, then you have to pull from some money from the paycheck from my full-time job. It's just, it's a lot budgeting to just figure out how all this works. I'm the only one who makes money in the house, so it is up to me to get this accomplished. And then you also have to spend time with the kids, making sure everyone in the house is happy, that type of thing, and then spend quality time with the wife. And it's just, sometimes it's just a lot, but at the same time it's like very rewarding, and I actually really like doing it. Providing for the family is just something that there's nothing else like it. Like for me, I'm a very numbers oriented guy. When I see like the numbers just working out for budgeting and like payroll, and not payroll, paycheck, and like the numbers from the side hustles just being where they need to be, I'm like, this is a great month. So I'm hoping you guys don't get motion sickness from this type of thing. If you guys don't like this type of video, then I won't make more of these, because this is some time I am dedicating to the YouTube stuff. So if you guys definitely don't like it, then let me know. And I'll base it off of like views and stuff, I suppose, as well, and comments. So that's how I'll figure out if you guys want more videos like this. But just trying to do this on my morning routine, so even if I don't make videos of it, I'll assume I'll still be doing some sort of cardio. I might actually hop on the treadmill at some point. But down 4 pounds, got like 21 pounds to go, in addition to working hard on Q4. I noticed there's a couple of new people commenting on my last Amazon video, so welcome to you guys if you guys did subscribe. And if you guys are in the Amazon influencer program, then I hope you guys have a good Q4 as well. And if you guys are doing any other type of side hustles, then hope that goes well also. Might dip back into reselling at some point, because I do have a lot of inventory stored up from free samples that I have previously received. So I'm not sure if that'll just hop me right back into reselling, but I did do that at one point. I also have some magic cards over there, so I don't know if I'll start back TCG player, but I know this is a video just saying like, oh, just push your work off to later, you have a limited amount of time, but there's so much work down here, and only dedicating like an hour if possible Monday through Friday to do all this is just a lot. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.